You knew this was coming, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Hey, nice parking job here, by the way. Right in front of the door.
When the door opens, the air conditioner comes out.
Need to cool it off. Yeah. I said, do you think they'll get mad if I do this right here? He's like, what else are you going to do? Good point.
I guess the people in line something to watch, right?
About a 10 and a 12, you can take any car apart, right?
Pretty much, yeah.
All
right. Amato, I got tools in the back seat of the Durango. Stuff like this is hilarious to me. So how's your day going, Armando?
It'll be better once this shit's done with.
That's right.
I forgot the audience. If you can't fix it, you can take that rod bar there and beat the windshield out of it. That's what I usually do to mine.
Get that Amato.
Bust out the headlights, stick it through the radiator. Cost me another $250,000. Boy, it sure is satisfaction.
By the way, that's my son-in-law Armando. It's my brother-in-law Randy. He's technical support, right, Randy? Yeah.
I'm here for moral support.
Belt off first.
Yeah, you got to get the belt off first. And this is Amato, and what do you do, Amato?
Here to learn.
He's like having nice art on the wall in the doctor's office lobby, right? By the way, we're trying to do an alternator. The alternator's no good, so this is going to be disastrous, I'm sure. Down on the left.
That one?
No, Armando's left, not Randy's
right
left.
there.
Yeah.
This one, the wrong one. Yeah.
That right there, yes. That's the tensioner.
Okay, put that socket on there, Armando, see if it fits. Just put the socket on there without the...
I thought there was a square in it somewhere.
Oh, now you about to strip that thing.
Yeah.
It's too small, yeah, 15 maybe.
14. Well, if we can't get it, we can go in here and get some Prozac or Xanax or whatever we need before we knock the windows out.
Imodium AD.
Yeah.
You know, you might end up on YouTube, Randy. You okay with that?
I don't care.
I'll send you a royalty check, all right?
My whole life's going down the tubes. I might as well put a U in front of it.
That's right. I'll book you some tour dates, okay? I'll be your manager, Randy.
You know what's funny? This is the concrete job. Everyone come out of that store and go, well, back when I was doing that, no one's come out and tried to put a hand on that. What's going on?
Me and Amato's going to sit here and guess what people's ailments are, you know?
I assume.
Jason, you know the old Ford?
Yeah.
To replace the water pump? They had that big long bolt there that you had to take the radiator out and get the bolt out?
Yeah.
They're doing a concrete job, and the guy goes, well, I'm a floor engineer. And Stan goes, you're that son of a bitch. Then put that long ass bolt in there. You got to take the whole front of the truck apart and change the water pump.
Got the belt off, right?
Yeah.
You got it. Well, first of all, you got to disconnect the battery, or you're going to blow the whole place up. There's probably enough nitroglycerin in this CVS to...
4th of July in here.
Yeah, it's a pretty good idea, though.
You still remember how to drive a stick shift, right? That video I made of you went pretty good on YouTube, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Couple thousand?
Yeah, the 15K, man. 15K,
oh, really?
Yeah. And I think it had about 30 likes.
No, it was kicking your ass is what it was doing. Yes, it was. In the beginning, dude.
You know, you guys might have to clean up your language a little bit. I try to keep a family-friendly YouTube channel, Randy, okay?
It's hard to do.
Thanks for your cooperation.
We are a mechanic in here, so you might turn the volume down.
You could probably use a detail under here, Armando.
At least on them battery terminals.
Clean this shit up a little bit. And that one there is all caked up.
Should I take both of them off? Both of them off?
No, this battery's a 2 of 22.
No,
that's all you did, just done.
That's not how you clean them. No.
All right, alternator.
All right, alternator, man. Hurry up. I almost said homo. Whoa.
I heard that.
Yeah.
The place is closing here in a little bit.
You see what you did, Amato?
We should have parked in the handicap spot.
Why?
Well, after we get done, this will be a handicap spot, probably.
No, still too small.
You know, we're getting a lot of dirty looks from these people walking into the store. You know?
That's too big.
These damn Floridians. I was up 3 o'clock in the morning the other morning because Christina snored like a floor hog running through the woods. watching them turned on channel surfing. I heard that Family Guy and ripped you fat and tore the pack. Gotta tell Amber, look what I gotta go through to get you cough drops.
Yeah.
Good Lord.
Yeah, this is expensive cough drops here.
Just go ahead and keep coughing.
Suck it up. Eat some ice or something.
Oh, boy howdy.
What was that? That go down in the intake?
Yep, Rich went down the intake.
Oh no.
Found it.
Oh, that's good. You know, you're supposed to do stuff like this in front of the auto parts store, not the drug store, okay?
I was trying to take care of my wife.
Depends on what kind of a day you're having. You need to go in there and get some pins after all this.
And before y'all leave, go in there and get Armando some vitamins, all right? Some iron and stuff.
This thing's gonna burn its tires when you get going.
That's right. Popping wheelies, right, Randy?
One wheel peel.
Hey, what's kind of funny here is Randy has the same exact truck. So
Now you know.
probably all the stuff that Randy's been through on his truck, you'll go through on this truck.
You just say
Same engine and everything.
Mine's gonna, well, it depends on what parts you're buying.
Yeah.
The guy told me if I bought air conditioning parts, it's no shoe. So, registration says 01, so whatever.
Did you loosen it?
What?
That nut.
This?
Yeah.
No,
Why is it loose?
it's not loose.
It looks loose.
It's not, homie.
Oh, okay. My bad.
Break it.
Yeah.
Trucks are old. Don't start wrenching
Yeah,
on it with your
that's
hands.
right.
You'd be buying a new wire and
Yeah.
chasing that down.
Who's got the new alternator?
Over there. It's in the inside of the
Did
truck.
you compare it to make sure it's right?
Well, I did.
Well, it
Doesn't matter if it's
It don't
wrong.
work. You gotta
it
take
don't
it
work.
off anyways.
I just try to be thorough, that's all. Just trying to help, man.
We're at CVS, small engine repair.
There's a distinct possibility we'll end up on the Bradenton Facebook page too, you know what I mean?
The cops will be rolling in anyway.
Yeah, probably.
Why is this like illegal or something?
HOA says you can't do that to
Something to shove in there.
You sure you got all the bolts out?
Yeah, it's only two. I got. You can just.
Yeah, get the handle there and just pop it up.
break the air conditioner.
Pry it against the air compressor. Yeah, that'll work.
Yeah. Two.
There's only 2 bolts, so it should just pry out of there, Randy. I was trying to tell you that.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
That's not good.
You break my screwdriver?
I did.
What is this over here?
Nothing.
Nothing? Yeah, what is that right there? Where's the alternator? Yeah, that's bolted on, Mondo. That's gotta come off.
Now you tell me.
Well, all I had to do was look at it and identify it in 30 seconds, homie. We should, I should send this to the Lakewood Ranch Chamber of Commerce for a promotional video.
Yeah.
Right, Randy?
Yeah. Or mobile mechanic. We come
Nope.
here.
That's a thing.
Come live in paradise.
Yeah.
There we go.
Damn, you're so smart, Jason.
Another bolt there. I said holding it.
You gotta wiggle it out of there. This is hot.
That's because the bearing's been burned up on it, probably.
Oh, boy.
It was crusty in there.
Yeah, a little bit. Here, Randy, there's a tech support number. You want to call them for us?
Yep.
Yeah, here. And be nice to them on the phone.
I'm gonna put this right on the side of Armando's truck where you can get a hold of him.
Right on the dash. Right over the speedometer.
That's what my buddy used to say. He had no truck. Everything he had was raggedy. He said, you know where they make business cards? Well, every light the dash was on, he put them business cards over the front of it.
Hey, Mono, you want to go in that store and pick something up for me?
Or what? His Viagra.
No, I don't
Blue
need
Chew?
this. No.
What'd you say?
Blue Chew?
Yeah.
No. I don't need no Blue Chew, okay? I sent a Mono in there to get some butt wipes, Randy, so we can wash our hands, all right?
Cool.
Yeah.
Did you Mexican dude?
Yeah. That's right. We had Mexican for lunch, Armando. You got butt wipes, right? Yeah, that'll work. Okay, cool. All right.
Alright, Jay.
What?
I should just listen to you.
I know you. You never listen to me.
This drunk dude used to work for Dad years ago. He'd see a good-looking woman. He'd say, "Hey, Bobby, you want it for Christmas? I'll let you play with it." He'd say a lot of other stuff too, but I'm not going to say that.
Yeah. YouTube is not concrete finisher friendly. Okay? Yeah.
Makes sense.
Smooth goes to smooth. Groove goes to groove. All right.
First off, we got to have something.
Took me 20 minutes to come up with that catchphrase. You guys started talking about hose, and Amato perked up over here, didn't you, Amato?
So going faster.
Yeah, he started really going at it with that. Get you a Blue Chew. Hey, Randy, you know what a Blue Chew is?
Bluetooth.
Apparently, there's a thing called a Blue Chew.
No, I never heard
It's
of it.
for male enhancement, I believe.
It's male Pop Rocks. Yep. Taking this set off.
What does that mean? Pop rocks?
Isn't that a candy? That's a candy.
Yeah, but what do you do with it?
You just eat it. It's sugar.
But it does something to your body.
The Pop Rocks? No.
No, the Blue Chew.
Yeah.
Then why is it Pop Rocks?
I said it's like Pop Rocks.
Oh, but it's for male enhancement stuff.
Correct.
Okay. All right. Well, I'd probably end up at the cardiologist if I tried that. So.
They kept things so hard a cat couldn't scratch it.
You better take care of this truck, Armando. I'm telling you, it's the only thing you're gonna get for a while.
This truck's run forever. You might have to cut the thermostat out.
Yeah.
Cut the guts out and put some liquid glass in there to seal the head crack.
Yeah.
Like I did mine.
Does yours still blow smoke?
Yeah, when you first started.
That's
mosquitoes. It really blows smoke when you let it sit when it's real cold like it's been.
Yeah.
A little bit of that antifreeze gets down the engine. You just got to burn that off.
Yeah.
Like no one's business. Box off.
It just clipped in. Yeah. Opening.
Well, what was that?
All right, Jason.
No, we're not done yet. We got to take that battery terminal off and clean that up.
Get all that green shit on them. On pour a little Coca-Cola on that shit. It'll eat it right off there.
Yeah.
You boys drink that shit all the time. It eats battery acid. You boys go, huh, give me one of my Coca-Cola. It's got to be good for my guts and liver.
Oh, so
I don't know. Let me see.
Yeah, you just do it.
You're killing me.
I'm not in my mode right now. I just came to observe. See, that's not my left.
You guys still working on that?
Malo
Well, he
don't know
said-
his right from
he
his
said
left.
left, and he's going that way. So if he would have said my other left, I would have went that way.
This probably goes to some kind of a sound system stupidity here.
No, it's for my lights in the back of the truck.
Oh. Well, that's probably what killed the alternator.
Yeah.
They're not on all the time.
Don't touch that ratchet to the metal. That'll arc it.
You're gonna have to do this one.
I'm gonna have to do that one. Why? Oh no, college grad, you're doing it. I mean college student. He's not a grad yet.
right.
You're going the wrong way.
Some shit.
Careful, there's kids watching this YouTube.
That's right. Randy, hop over here and show him how to do this, would you?
Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
get going.
I need some demonstration first.
Oh my god.
Need some inspiration? All right, racers ready?
Yeah.
Race is ready.
What do we got there? As Ron would say, don't ever tighten it.
And no. Yeah, Ron's kind of right about that. Strip some out and break
That's when he said I was taking my calipers off and the bolt went pow. How did you get that out of there? I don't know that guy.
That's funny.
Noco is one of the only boost packs that has an override feature. So if you hook it up to a battery and it's too low and it won't energize to jump start stuff, what's the problem?
I just imagine you.
Don't be making noises, okay? That ain't cool. Besides that, it's only 12 volts. I'll for a second. So you can turn your power on. And this is recognize the voltage, but if it doesn't, you just push this override button right here. And you hear it click. Uh-oh. Oh, that ain't cool.
Zap. I don't think it was just clipped on right.
It wasn't clipped on very good because I need some inspiration, Randy.
Yeah.
Yeah, me too.
All right, let's try that again. Take 2.
No, the
Alright,
first
was
take
the key
was
in the
pretty
truck?
good. Yeah. No, they're not in it. They're just in the truck. They're not in the ignition.
They're not in the. So are they in the truck or not?
They're in the truck, not in the ignition.
The door's locked.
Yeah. I couldn't get the windows back up. You like this? It's custom. I don't. Why there's a hole in it? There's literally a big old hole, like they. Brand new.
Like no one's business in there?
Brand new.
Yeah. We're gonna check it out here though. We're gonna turn the Noco off. Randy's gonna hold that.
Flat on our face.
And we'll take my $1 million HVAC tester. Put it on volts DC. Doesn't matter if you use black or red on black or red in this case.
Oh, she's kicking.
Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
13.9 volts, homeboy.
good.
Nice.
Yeah.
Brand
Don't
new.
shut it off for a while.
Now
Yeah.
you bought a draw zone, right?
Yeah.
It'll burn up in about a month.
That'd be all right. Now I know how to do it.
Yeah. Do you get a lifetime warranty?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Take a picture of all these sockets so you can put them in the
Yeah.
back of your truck.
That's right. Yeah, you need a
I need one of these little things.
You do, yeah. All right. Hey, Amato, go get the butt wipes so we can wash our hands. All right, we're good to go here. A little CVS parking lot repair. Amato, did you learn anything today?
Yeah.
Other than you can wash your hands with butt wipes, right?
Wherever you are.
Are those dude wipes or are they just cheap ones?
No, these are her wipes.
Oh, her wipes.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Hey, Randy, you want some butt wipes? Wash your hands.
I didn't get dirty.
You didn't get dirty?
No.
Oh, look at that.
The fingernails are a little short.
Yeah.
Got a nervous fetish.
Yeah.
Do I got the whole bag?
Take out the pack. That's fine. Yeah. What, are you taking a shower? All right.
Sure she hasn't left already?
Oh, maybe I'll call her right here in a second.
All right, guys. I think it was a successful meeting here.
Yeah.
So
Thanks for your guys'
appreciate
help.
the.
Thanks for the inspiration.
Yeah. Thanks for the inspiration, Rando. All right, you guys. Tell all the fun seekers out there bye. Okay.
Bye, fun
You'll
seekers.
see them again. You'll
Yeah.
see them again. You always do, and so do you.
Fun seekers.
Randy, say bye to the fun seekers.
You'll see us at the same bat time, same bat channel.
That's right.